Hi, it's Angie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a series of videos for you all about the OHM August 2021 release. So this first video is going to be about the OHMistry projects being released in August. These are in collaboration with artists OHMies, and their designs have been brought to life by all the artists at OHM Beads, and I am so excited to share them with you. So the first bead I want to show you is Elara the Kittycorn. This is an adorable little unicorn kitty, and it was designed by Yasmin Marie. And this one will be $50, and as you can see, it's just so sweet. It's like a childlike design based on sketches that Yasmin did when she was a child. As you can see, she has a little collar with a star and the cutest little paws and that little unicorn horn at the top, pretty wings, and a really cute cattail too. And she does come in her own little box that's been created by the artist, which is this unicorn kitty Elara on her floating space island. Really sweet and very, very cute. And each one is going to be signed and serialized and engraved with the signature, and these are limited edition. There will only be 111 released on August 12th. The second bead that's coming up in August is this one. This is called Imperfect Angel. It's $65 and will be released on August 19th. Similarly, because it's an OHMistry project, there will only be 111 available for purchase. And this one is an adorable little angel who's not quite perfect. There's a lot of meaning behind this bead, and I know this personally because this is my bead that I had the honor of creating with OHM Beads. The artist did an amazing job bringing my idea and sketches to life. Her wings are not quite perfect. She's pretty casual playing with her beads. She has a tilted halo, lots of detail on this one, and it's just adorable. And here is the box that I was able to design. The angel is just floating on the cloud and oozing lots of love and light. Very cute. So that's Imperfect Angel, and once again it releases on August 19th and it's $65 at ohmbeads.com. And the third and final OHMistry project bead being released in August is Octohug, and this is $130 and will be released on August 26th. It is created by Sara and Michele in Italy, and it's absolutely stunning. As you can see, it's really a large bead, a statement bead, and it's this beautiful octopus which is guarding the spirit that we all possess. And it's actually a blind bag where you don't know what color of glass you're going to get that are in the tentacles, being held and guarded by the tentacles. And there's a lot of texture on it, and it's a lot of fun and really, really cool. This is the box that the artist created, and it's just magnificent. I love the detail on this one, the colors, and that glass there with the OHM symbol on it. And this is the design I came up with all three OHMistry projects. I think it looks really, really good. And I chose these little blue spacers because the glass that I got in my Octohug is blue. And I think it goes very nicely with both the Elara the Kittycorn and Imperfect Angel. So that's it for this first video. These are the three OHMistry projects being released in August from ohmbeads.com. I hope that you take a look, and I hope that if you want one of these, you're able to get one of the 111 that are available. So thanks for watching, and check back for more videos in this series from the August 2021 release from ohmbeads.com.